Alright guys, so today is going to be a good day. Get to put the truck back together, get it on the road, and yeah, so I'm excited. So basically what I got today is tailgate net. I just went to a hardware store, got some more rocker guard, gravel guards and stuff, so I can finish undercoating the body. Got some new light bulbs. They aren't LEDs, sadly, but that's all right. I got 1157s just in case my brake lights don't work out the way I want them to. I got some black paint and a small paintbrush just to do some little touch-ups. I didn't really want to do painting again today, but I'm going to have to, I think, just because it kind of looks haggard around the edges. That was my buddy. I think he might come back. Maybe. But yeah, so tailgate net, I got to throw the wheels on. I can't sadly right now, my family just left. But, so I'm kind of boxed in over there. I might be able to maybe get the wheels on if I back the truck up onto the gravel here. I think I've got enough room for that. Tailgate's got some nice frost on them. So I gotta delete the AC condenser today. Here's what the box turned out like. It turned out alright. I mean, it had bed liner over it already, so I don't know how good of a result I was expecting, but this is alright. It's just the inside of the box. It's gonna get scratched up anyway. I'll have to probably repaint it every year. But yeah, so let's start with the AC condenser and the tailgate net. Throw the taillights in. And then we'll move on from there. It's done taking the AC condenser out. It's pretty loose in there. I pretty much just have to snip this line. I think that's the only thing holding it in. This side's already been cut. There's the condenser. So it should be coming out here pretty quick. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but because I don't got room up top. I have to turn it or undo this bottom rad support bolt, maybe, and this one. Then it can just fall straight down. It's really loose now. It's just this bottom rad support rod that's stopping it from being able to come out. So I already took off the one here, so I'm just gonna take off the bottom one, and then should be able to slide it out, hopefully. Finally, that's out. That was a little bit more of a task than I wanted it to. But now we can get all that radiator flow, so that's cool. And this wiring harness, I'll just get some zip ties and zip tie that up, I think, because that's no good hanging down there. Condenser is now out. This is zip tied up. So now that that's all done, now I can put the grill back in. I lost basically all of these tabs that held the grill on through the top, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to get some from work, but yeah, that kind of sucks. But it's still got these main tabs that lock it in. I think I've got one of the plastic things, so I don't know. Should be okay. So that's that. Now, yeah, get the grill in, get the taillights and the tailgate net in, and then basically all I gotta do is put on the wheels, do some undercoating, and do the exhaust, which I'm just waiting for my dad to get back. So it's coming along. Alright, so I was just gonna start doing some touch-ups with black paint along here because I don't like how this looks. So I'm going to be painting all that black. There's like a couple small spots around the mirror like that. I just want to get black. But yeah, so there's the grill. I can't really get a good shot of it, but yeah, that just brings the truck together. I look pretty goofy without that, but now that it's in, it looks sick. So basically, I've got one tab, so I'm locked out and I can put it here because this tab here actually broke. So once that's in, it should be kind of held in, and then I'm supposed to have a bunch around the top and another one there. So, oh God, I don't know what I can put in there. I don't got any self-tappers big enough. It's supposed to have clips, like I can get those clips from work, but yeah. Yeah, so with the one clip in there, it's pretty sturdy. I just need some new ones, so I'll grab them from work because I don't want to really hack together some zip ties or anything, so that'll be good. So under here, I'm done. Snipped off the hose there. It's all tucked up, looking good. So there's the front end. She looks pretty good. Tyler's got a polishing kit for these headlights, and he says that, like, because they feel pretty rough, he says that he can get those to like feeling like glass. So they'll probably be pretty clear, because even with just a little bit of lacquer thinner, it took like that yellow haze straight off. So just gotta order some HIDs for that. Wipers are on. What else do I got here? Yeah, so I guess I'm moving to the back now. I'll throw in these bulbs real quick for the reverse ones. No LEDs, but that's cool. I'll plug the headlights in, or the taillights in, and then I can get the tailgate net on. And yeah. Oh, and so while you guys are watching this, I'm thinking about getting these front windows tinted, and then the back window tinted even more. Do like the 20% like I had on the Dodge. I think that would look pretty cool, but let me know what you guys think. It's already got the strip on top that's kind of tinted, so I don't know, just a thought. Because I think to get the two front windows tinted on the Dodge was like $100 or something like that. I think it's worth it. It looks pretty cool. And I'm also thinking about the window vents. I don't know if that would be good or not, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. Reverse lights installed, tail lights installed. Looking so good. Oh my God. Maybe I'll try and hit this bottom with some lacquer thinner. Might be able to clean that up a little bit. These taillights are old, but I don't know. They look alright. They look alright. So now, tailgate net time. Gonna grab some self-tappers, tap the brackets in. And I usually, like when I've done this before on my other trucks, I always got the one that was meant for full-size trucks, and it would always sag. So this time I got the one that was meant for, they say like compact or small trucks. And I just kind of did a brief measurement, and it should be long enough, but it's definitely going to be tight now, which is the way I want it. Like, I don't know why it would just be hanging down for a full-size truck, so I don't know. Maybe because newer trucks are all wider than old trucks. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to throw that on. Alright, so what I've also noticed from doing past tailgate nets is the self-tapping, or the screws that they give you, are absolute junk. So get your own that are actually good, and we have our own, and use those. They'll work a lot better. And yeah, so now all the mounting things are drilled. So let's see if this thing will make the jump, or it will be long enough. If not, what I'll have to do is maybe just drill through the fabric to hold it in, because I know these strings are long enough, but I don't know if these clips, like, because you're supposed to wrap this around in there and then through the clip, I don't know if that'll be long enough, so we'll see. Okay, so this sucks. So the full-size one is too big, and then the mid-size compact one is too small. So basically, see what I mean? Like these straps will reach, but not the way you want them to. So, oh well, I guess that's fine. I'll figure out a way around this. Go straight through the straps and do 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and forget about the middle ones. And then to get rid of the straps, I'll just tie them up to their clips there, and then yeah. All right, so there that is. It looks better than the previous ones I've had, just because it's nice and tight. So yeah, that came out all right. All right. I wish I had one that was like actually meant for the truck, but this will look cool. So now that that's done, I mean, all I gotta do now is weld the exhaust up, because basically what we did yesterday is it was coming out, like, I'm gonna put this on in some way, shape, or form, but the exhaust was coming out like somewhere around here. So we heated it up and bent it, and all the bending did pretty much, like, it may have bent the actual elbow there a little bit, but it kind of just broke the welds further up. So now I need to get in there and weld it in the spot it's at, because now it's coming out at a good angle there. So need to re-weld that, and then we can cut off this pipe, and we're going to be cutting the stack, welding a plate onto the end, and then drilling a hole in it, and then attaching that pipe in it. So yeah, so I gotta do that and throw the wheels on, and oh yeah, and then do the touch-up paint around here, which seems dry enough now, so I can get going on that, I think. I'll move it onto the rocks there, start doing other stuff.